Hey, class. All right, we're going to be looking at Unit 5, Lesson 12 today. We're going to be looking at negative rates. Just to recap from yesterday, all right, we talked about our division rules. All right, the first one we had was a positive divided by a positive equals a positive. A negative divided by a positive equals a negative. And a negative divided by a negative equals a positive. And coincidentally, these are the exact same rules for multiplication. All right, so that's the nice thing about multiplication and division is that the rules are exactly the same. So let's get into our warm-up. Our learning goal today is let's apply what we know about sign numbers. So we're looking at everything that we know about sign numbers with multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. 12.1, grapes per minute. So grapes per minute, whenever it says the word per, that is a rate. So we're going to be using the equation, the distance equals the rate multiplied by time. We can use this setup to help us solve any multiplication or division problem when it comes to multiplying integers. So number one, it says if you eat 5 grapes per minute for 8 minutes, how many grapes will you eat? Well, the rate is 5 grapes per minute. The time is 8 minutes. So 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. 40 grapes. All right, number two. If you hear 9 new songs per day for 3 days, how many new songs will you hear? Well, my rate is 9 songs per day. We're doing that for 3 days. And so 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 songs. 27 new songs in 3 days, that's pretty good. I mean, I like music a lot. And I don't know if I could listen to 27 new songs a day. If you run 15 laps per practice, how many practices will it take you to run 30 laps? Okay, so you're given the total amount, right? So you're given 30 laps, which is essentially the distance, equals our rate, 15 laps per practice. So and how many practices will it take? How many times will it take you? So I'm looking for the time. So to solve for the time, it's the distance divided by your rate. And so 30 divided by 15 equals 2 days. All right, so this is practicing multiplying and dividing integers. I'm just going to draw this happy face down here because that's the kind of mood I am. Whoa, I don't know what happened there. So I suggest you take note of this happy face. All right, I'm just going to, there it is. There's a happy face.